Hey guys, today's video is my Halloween house tour that you guys have been asking for. First, we're going to start off the tour with one of my favorite places to decorate in the home is my entranceway, because this is the place that everybody sees when they come in, and so I love decorating over here. I have a table and I have a mirror here that I add different things to. Sometimes I add candles to those candle holders on the wall, sometimes I don't, depending on what the holiday is. But everything that you see here is either from Dollar Tree or it's a Dollar Tree DIY. It's DIYs I've made in the past or it's DIYs that I just shared with you guys recently. So if you haven't seen all my DIYs, definitely catch up on all my Halloween DIYs. On the top of this mirror, I have this welcome sign that I got from Dollar Tree in the Dollar Tree Plus section. It was only $5, and I like it because it's basic and it's plain, and you can add different things to decorate with for each holiday. So I added, the spider webs to make it more spooky for Halloween. And then over here is my mirror that I made with Dollar Tree mirrors as well, and I just added one of the Dollar Tree signs and one of those little scary draperies over it as well. And then on the candle holders that are on either side, like the little sconces, I decided to put skeleton heads on it instead of putting actual candles. I usually put candles on it or something type of different to go with the season or the holiday, so I decided I would put the little skeleton heads on it to make it something different. It would have been cool if I had like a skeleton candle, but this came out good. And then on the table I have a couple of DIYs that, like I said, I made in the past, and some ones that I made recently as well. On the left side is the one I just shared with you guys recently, where I share with you guys on my channel different ways how you can make diffuser holders. And one of the ways is that you can take this little cauldron bucket from Dollar Tree and you can put your little diffuser in there, put some of the Dollar Tree mesh in it, and then make it look like a spooky little spider web. Not spider web, spooky little potion. And then I also had this spider that I got from Dollar Tree that I used to hold my essential oils. These bottles right here, I got from Dollar Tree a while back and spray painted them black. The signs, they're like black signs that I got in the Target dollar spot, and I actually put window clings on the bottle and these little signs as well to make it look the way that it does. So those are just window clings, basically Mod Podge to it. Then over here, I have to have my Germex when people walk in, and then I also have this little haunted house, spooky house that I made with a Dollar Tree birdhouse in the Dollar Tree Plus section as well. I made that on my channel last year. Again, you can find the video in my Halloween DIYs. And then down here I have my new little ghost that I made this year that I really liked. They came out so cute. I also have a Dollar Tree sign, and then these two trees, I got one from the Target dollar spot, one from Five and Below, and the big one is from Five and Below for only $4, and then the other one is from the Target dollar spot for $5, and then a ghost that I made with Dollar Tree products as well. Over here is where I have the other ghost that I share with you guys. I wanted to give you guys this angle of it as well, and then another angle. It's by the mirror that I have in our entranceway, because I wanted to add a mirror there for us to be able to check ourselves before we go anywhere. And so I have it next to the mirror. But then I also have the pumpkins that I share with you guys, the stackable pumpkins that I share with you guys that I spray painted black and put spiders on it. I have it on either side of that, and I think for Christmas I'll probably put some trees on either side of this mirror as well. And over here is my snack bar, my movie snack bar area that I share with you guys on my channel. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. And I just decorated the shelves and put some different things that I got from Dollar Tree on the shelves. My favorite part to decorate was this bar cart that I got from Five and Below that I shared with you guys how I made it over. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely check that one out. I love this bar cart. I told you guys I was going to be so happy to decorate it for the seasons, and I added my little ghost on it, and again another tree and some other stuff from Dollar Tree. I really like how this came out. Over here in this corner is a table that's next to my couch, and that's where I put the other diffuser holder that I shared with you guys, the little haunted house diffuser holder, and another tree from the Target dollar spot and some other Dollar Tree ghosts. Definitely check out that haunted house diffuser holder because I love how that came out. And then here is an overview of my living room. I wanted to share with you guys how it looked all together. This is like another part of my favorite part of my house to decorate is the living room, because that's where everybody comes. And then here is how the left bookcase looks. I like to decorate it with different things with Dollar Tree and also my Dollar Tree DIYs. Again, the haunted house candle holder, the ghost family pictures in there, all those DIYs I shared on my channel, so definitely check it out. My fireplace, I put some Dollar Tree ghosts and some Dollar Tree bottles as well on either side of our little stereo speaker that we have. And then on the other side of the TV with the other bookcase, I decorated more with Dollar Tree products and Dollar Tree DIYs. And then that that skeleton kind of candle holder was in the Target dollar spot, and I shared that with you guys on Instagram on one of the reels. And then above my TV, I have this Home Sweet Home sign that I also got from Dollar Tree in the Dollar Tree Plus section. And again, I added spider webs and a spider to it to make it a little bit more spooky. You can always take these basic signs from Dollar Tree and just add things to them for the seasons. And then over here on my couch, I have the ghost pillows that I shared with you guys, and also some other pillows that I made in the past, and also those pillows that I found in the Target dollar spot. And that is it for today's video, you guys. And that ends all of the Halloween decor and Halloween DIYs that I've been sharing with you guys. And we're going to jump into Christmas and organization things as well. I got some videos for Christmas time and organization when it comes to traveling and things for the home as well. So stay tuned, put those notifications on, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.